Welcome to our lesson on sets in Dart, a powerful data structure for managing collections of unique elements. Today, we'll delve into the world of sets, understand their characteristics, and learn how to use them effectively in Dart. Sets are essential for handling collections of unique elements in Dart. They ensure uniqueness, preventing duplicate elements. They provide efficient methods for set operations like union, intersection, and difference. In Dart, a set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets do not allow duplicate elements, and they provide efficient methods for adding, removing, and performing set operations. Let's explore how to create sets in Dart using set literals and the set constructor. We'll also learn how to add and remove elements from sets. Sets in Dart support various operations, including union, combining two sets into a single set. Intersection, finding elements common to two sets. Difference, finding elements present in one set but not in another. Dart provides several methods for working with sets, such as add element, adding an element to the set. Remove element, removing an element from the set. Contains element, checking if an element is present in the set. We can iterate over elements in a set using for-in loops or for-each methods. This allows us to perform operations on each element in the set. Dart also supports immutable sets, which cannot be modified after creation. Immutable sets provide a guarantee of immutability and can be useful in certain scenarios. Following best practices ensures efficient and readable code. Use sets to manage collections of unique elements. Use set operations and methods to perform common set manipulations. Consider using immutable sets when immutability is desired. Sets are powerful data structures in Dart that enable efficient management of collections of unique elements. By mastering sets, you can write more efficient and concise Dart code. Thank you for exploring sets in Dart with us. Practice using sets to manage unique collections effectively in your Dart projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!